In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Lens step by step. You can follow this guide on both iPhone and Android. The process is very similar. Google Lens is a powerful tool that lets you reverse image search, identify objects, scan QR codes, translate text, find products online, copy text from images. Let's get started. First, open your device's App Store. On iPhone, open the App Store. On Android, open the Google Play Store. Search for the Google app. Google Lens is built inside the Google app, so you don't usually need a separate download. If it's not installed, download it. If you already have it, just tap Open. Once inside the Google app, make sure you're on the home screen. In the search bar, tap the camera icon on the right side. This opens Google Lens. Now you have two main options. You can point your camera at a product, a device, a plant, a QR code, text in another language, tap the shutter button to scan it. Google Lens will instantly identify it and show search results, product matches, visual matches, translation options. If it's text, you can copy it or translate it directly. Tap the gallery icon in the bottom left corner. Select an image from your photos or screenshots. Once selected, adjust the selection area if needed. Swipe up to see results. Tap exact matches to find similar images. Tap products to find items for sale. For example, if you scan a phone, Lens can identify the model and show online listings. If you scan clothing, it can find similar products available for purchase. It's one of the most powerful free tools available on your phone. And that's it. That's how you use Google Lens. If you found this guide helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more easy tech tutorials.